Advanced driver assistance systems, or ADAS, take vehicle safety to the next level. Features like automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control are becoming standard on new vehicles. However, these complex systems require proper calibrations after repairs to function correctly. Let's talk about whether relying solely on a test drive is enough to verify ADAS performance. A test drive checks basic vehicle functions, the engine, transmission, suspension, and so on. However, you can't confirm that radar, camera, and other ADAS components are aimed accurately and operating properly during a test drive. These systems depend on precise mounting and setup, and even minor deviations can degrade their capabilities. After realigning sensors during repairs, calibration using manufacturer procedures is critical. ADAS combines data from various inputs, so each sensor must be calibrated individually before finalizing. These often require special tools and target boards. ADAS calibrations begin with a pre-scan, followed by a test drive to check for fault codes. The vehicle is then diagnosed following OEM procedures to calibrate individual components like radar, camera, LiDAR, and wheel speed sensors. Static target recalibration confirms the proper aim. The next step is a test drive that sticks to parameters like vehicle speed, road type, and distance traveled. This dynamic calibration allows ADAS to relearn baseline readings while driving, and a post-scan afterward validates the completed calibration with no remaining faults. More than a simple test drive, ADAS calibrations are an in-depth, multi-step process that requires specialty tools, training, and strict adherence to specifications. Don't rely solely on a road test to confirm that your customer's ADAS is calibrated properly after repairs. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. Thanks for watching.